Hello, hello. Live stream number 128. All right, hope everybody's doing good. I'm actually in a trade already. Huge meltdown on the UCAD. Give me just a second, get everything situated here. Don't tell me I got faked out. Okay. Lots of movement already. So this is a good sign. And I say this all the time. This usually is what happens. If one day is kind of slow, there were some moves yesterday, but it wasn't the busiest day ever. So if one day is like that, usually the following day is pretty active, and that seems to be the case today. All right. Yeah, so far it's looking pretty good. Dollar looks to be coming down, at least for now. It's a pretty big move down. It definitely has some room to go back up too, though. But it's still kind of in a fuzzy spot. But I would say it comes down for a little bit. Just based off the hourly, the 4 hour. Looks like it's coming down for a little bit. I want to check the news really quick. I believe it's a bunch of news today. Yeah, it's a bunch of news today. We got right at midnight, right at the open, we got some heavy euro and some light franc. We got 1 o'clock light, heavy at 1:30 on the GBP. That's about it for the London session, at least. New York session's got some pretty heavy USD news, so that's going to cause a lot of waves there. Okay, so yeah, it's a lot going on. And Madhu, how's it going? Good to see you, man. Okay, this was one of the trades I took last night right here. I could have gotten a lot more out of it. Obviously, I could have went like way up here. But since the market's not been giving me 3R trades lately, I just decided to go for 2 every once in a while. If it's not looking that good, I'll just go for 2 instead. Sometimes even 1 1/3 to be on the super safe side. I did not have time to eat dinner, so I'm gonna like sneak some food in here in a minute once I figure out what's going on. EGBP probably goes up a little bit more. I'll keep an eye on that one. That's a potential trade there. I barely got stopped out of this one, as you can see. Missed it by like 4 pips. So it happens. It happens. But my best trade last night was this GBP short here. I got the full 3 there, and it went even further. It went like 5 or 6. So could have got a little bit more out of that one, but at least I got the 3. So overall, yesterday was decent, but I definitely made some mistakes too. I took too many trades. Those CHF JPY trades, shouldn't have taken them at all, and I took 2 of them. That was 2 losses for no reason. So, you know, live and learn. Every day you come on here and trade, you learn something else not to do, something else to do. So yeah, you can't get mad at the losses. This is part of the game. No such thing as a 100% win rate, unfortunately. That would be nice. Okay, yeah, it looks like the dollar probably comes down for a little bit, and these backside dollar pairs go up for a little bit. The UCAD, let's see. I think the UCAD is coming down for a little bit, at least. Just based off the hourly chart mostly. Let me check out the 4-hour. Yeah, probably. It might take a minute though, but it should come down probably to around here somewhere. But yeah, it should come at least to there, if not further. All right. So far, I think we have some movement for sure on the dollar pairs, all of them, which is great. Those are usually the easy moves. Looks like this is coming down also. I'm already in $1 pair trade though, so I don't want to get into a bunch of them. It's kind of risky for no reason. You said, can I create a Telegram channel? I have a Telegram account. What type of things would you like to talk about on the Telegram channel? Because you're like the 15th person to ask me, so I want to know what do you guys want to talk about in the Telegram channel. Let me know, because you know, maybe I'm missing something here. You know, I'm running around all day, but you know, I can make time for something if it's something people really want me to do. See, this always happens. Okay, yesterday almost nothing was moving except for, you know, those couple trades I did take, but now like everything is moving. So the yens are moving, dollar pairs are moving. Man, when it rains, it pours. Okay, this is good though. I just have to figure out which are the best ones to take. A lot of these pairs are very similar, so you don't want to be taking the same trade over and over. This looks really good. Yeah, I got all the way faked out here. That was a terrible trade, and I took it twice. So the yen index is still coming down, which is crazy to me. I thought it had been going up by now. So some potential yen moves as well. The GBP and Euro cross pairs are not looking very tradable today, which I don't really trade those anyway, so it doesn't matter for me. Okay, you said after my live stream we can connect on Telegram. Okay, that's a good idea. Yeah, I haven't been doing my recap videos either, so yeah, a lot of the trades I take are like free reward and they take hours, so I'll be like sleeping. I'll have already turned the stream off and my trades are going, so you know, a lot of the results are not really seen. And that's why I was doing the recap videos in the first place, which I am going to bring back. I'm just, you know, I get overloaded with stuff. And they weren't getting that many views anyway. So that's the main reason. not that they took that much work either. Yeah, they were only getting like 100 views a piece. So I was just like, eh. I don't know if it's like worth my time to do it, but you know, we'll see. I think I'll bring it back later. Okay, you know, I forgot to look at was the on ZD. Not sure about the odd NZD. It's definitely moving, but there's so much other better stuff going on right now. I think I'll skip that one. This looks like a trade available. Yeah, definitely a long trade here. Probably soon. I think I'll wait for a full green bar though. At least. All right, let me go ahead and put this trade on here. There we go. All right. So that looks like a pretty decent trade, I think. I wouldn't go any further just because of the level here. But it should reach down there. I might have to move the take profit up by like a pip. It is kind of like right on the line. Yeah, I was thinking about okay. Well, as long as it doesn't clear this 21 EMA here, it should go through. I don't want to get peekabooed here. A little tired of the peekaboos. You said you are giving good trades. If you have Telegram channels, through that, your viewers will increase in the live stream. Okay. All right. Well, like I said, you're like the 15th person to say that, so I think you guys are onto something. Oh shit. Yeah, I really need to not be doubling my stops as much as I am. It's so hot when I come on here. It's like, man. Hot. Okay. Still Still got 13 minutes before the actual open. I think this is going to be a very violent open. I am expecting violence today. That's what it's looking like. Yeah, usually when there's this much movement before the open, it's going to be like, there might be some reversals, might be some fake outs. Yeah, I told myself I'm not gonna move stops as much as I have been, because I don't think it's a good thing to be doing. It's basically putting 2 trades into one. So, you know, if I lose the trade, I just have to accept the loss and then potentially re-enter later. But I can't keep moving the stops double and all that. I can't be doing that. If I have to do all that, it probably wasn't all that great of a trade. I do think this one's pretty decent. Yeah, it looks good on the hourly. The only thing is it is kind of a pullback of this uptrend. So it really could just be a move back up. That's what's making this trade not so great. I did like the little meltdown here, and that's when I got into it. But it's got a lot of like upward momentum too. That's the only thing I don't like about this trade. And the fact that it's before the open, I also don't like. So I might get out of it early if I can get it back down to break even or even like a small profit. I might exit out of it early just for that reason. It's got too much upward pressure. Because yeah, this is definitely not a downtrend. This is more of an uptrend if anything. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get out of it. So either I'll take the full loss, which looks like it's about to happen, or and hopefully just be out at 0. We'll see. It might give me a chance to get out of it. Okay, I am gonna double stop. I feel like I know what's gonna happen here. Now, if I get hit with the double stuff, she'll blame me. That's my own fault. Okay, so this should... It should give me one more chance to get out of it. like I said, hopefully you get a chance to get out of this trade. And I might actually go long over here instead. Like I said, it should give me one more chance to get out of it. I'm actually gonna even move the take profit up. That's another thing I've been doing. I've been taking too many trades before the open. It's not a good practice at all. The market can completely reverse if it's a really like harsh open, which is gonna be today for sure. Everything can be like heavy trends even. I'm completely flipping the other direction. Some bad habits creeping back up on me. I don't think I'm wrong about this. I don't. Right. Risky. I gotta do it. I don't want to start off with a loss like that. But it should work. Yeah, I saw the meltdown here and the hourly chart. I was like, oh, okay. I was like, this is an easy move. It flipped around on me. Okay, this is a good long, I think. Even though it's only one green bar, I think it's still good. Again, I don't like that it's before the open, but we're gonna roll with it. I don't know about these yens. They are moving though, so I'm gonna keep an eye on them. Oh my goodness. Okay. Quick bathroom break. I'll be right back. It's a heavy one today. Okay. Alrighty, we got minute and 30 seconds. A minute and 30 seconds before the open. Looking like this was the right idea here. So I didn't have a chance to put it on there. Okay. I'm only gonna go for 2 on this one. Yeah, I think that's the way to go with that one. I don't want to get too greedy there. Okay, got 35 seconds. Now, like I said, I'm hoping that this comes down and at least lets me get out of it, and then I'm probably gonna go long. But we'll see if that even happens. Okay, 5 seconds. Let's see what happens. All right, here we go. Yes. Yeah, my day is going to be much better if I can get out of this UCAD trade unscathed. That'll make my day way better. Okay, my EGBP is looking good though. I don't know why my terminal keeps freezing. MKKM, how's it going? Yo, yo, yo. Come on, don't do this to me. Don't do it. Man, it froze again? The hell? Hold on. Okay, there we go. Okay, I might have to re-enter on this one. We'll see. See if it makes it. Okay, cool. This did go back up, so that's a good sign the UCAT will come down. It's really not moving though. Everything's kind of all over the place right now. NZD's going down, GBP's going up. It's all over the place. I almost took this trade too. All right, so I am gonna have to move the stop on the UCAD down. I'll put it above this little pivot here. Yeah, if it goes above that, it's probably gonna break through all the way. I don't want to lose that much. If it's a loss, I want to at least like minimize the loss. Lots and lots of stuff happening all at once. I might just have to take the loss now. That might be the way to go. Base off. I think I should just let it run. See, that's the problem. This was not a good trade in the first place. That's the whole issue in the first place. Oh, I moved this down here. Yeah, based off the hourly, it should work. Okay, it looks like my EGBP is fine again. Okay, so I'm using 0.3% risk on this account, which is $150. I could get out of it now, and it would be just as if I lost one trade, and maybe I should just do that. That might be the way to go. Yep, okay. I'm just gonna have to take the loss on that one. My own fault. It's all good. It's too risky, and I don't want to lose like $250 or something for no reason, because I have this good trade over here, which should be a nice 300 if it goes through. So I'll still be up 150, which is a nice start. Not as good as it could have been, obviously. Okay. Dollar pairs are looking a little chaotic. Oh, I don't want to take this one too. I should have. Man. It'd been a nice 3. Yep, I should have taken that one. Too late now. I just didn't like this big giant bar on the hourly chart. That's what scared me. I was like, but yeah. Nice EMA pullback there. Okay. Alright, yeah, the yen index is coming down pretty hard. So I'll keep an eye on those two. Like I said, it might end up even going long here, possibly. So it looks like I was right. Like I could have gotten out of it without a loss, maybe. I didn't think it was worth the risk though. I still have no idea really what the dollar is trying to do today. Like I said, it looks like it should come down, but it's not. So now I'm kind of hesitating and thinking maybe I should reverse it and just go long here. That's not a really good move either though. So I'll just wait for something better. Okay, it's kind of slowing down a little bit now. Okay. I'm gonna try it out actually. It doesn't look bad. My terminal keeps freezing up today. I don't know what's going on. I am gonna try this out here. Alright, just going for a quick scalp here. I don't think it's a big move up yet. Alrighty. So basically here I'm just gonna try to recoup the loss that I had from it. So this trade here is 200 if it goes through. So I'll actually make $50. I only lost 150 if it works. Oh man, you guys are hooking it up with the likes. Appreciate it. Definitely helps the videos. I got another copyright strike yesterday, or no, copyright claim yesterday, by the way. I try to get creative with the music, and man, I've had a lot of issues with that. I think YouTube is working on it though. They're making some like new YouTube music library, so hopefully we can just play stuff and not have to worry about that all the time. Ah, okay. Okay, it was looking pretty good. All right, so I was right the first time. Goodness. Getting juked out today. Alright, so I'm gonna have to re-enter over here. So maybe it comes down a little bit further. Maybe it comes down to like here. It has a lot of momentum, so I'm not gonna try to double the stop or anything like that. Just got to re-catch it when it starts to reverse again. I got hit with the peekaboo here. Hey. Yeah, based off the chart, the dollar should be coming down. So that's what I was basing everything off of, and that is not what's happening. So it's very out of alignment, and oh, of course this wants to go through right after the peekaboo special. Okay. Okay, my EGBP actually didn't fail. Let's see where I'm at today. Hold on. All right. So if this one goes through, it takes me back to like I'll have like a $20 profit at this point. Kind of back to break even. Had I not got peekabooed over here, this looks like this was gonna go through too. That would have been another 200. All good. Win rate is still abysmal for this week. Terrible. Okay, we're back in a profit here. Now I could try to go for 3 here. And that would put me at least $150 profit. And it probably works. From the amount of momentum it has, it probably does work. So that's what I'll do. And if I have to move it back down, let's move it back down. Boom. All right. Right. So this is a nice 450 here if it goes through. So that'll put me, let's see. Right again, hold on. Forgot where I'm at now. That'll put me to plus 170. So not great, but you know, we're getting there. I would like to make 450 period today. That's really what the goal is, at least. There's a lot of movement though, so I should be able to get something. I was right here. I was just off by like a pip. I think I got stopped out by point something pips right there. If it makes it to here, then I was right. Oh, you really hate to see it happen. The double shablammy. All right. So this is looking like the most solid trade so far. Man, I'm glad to see movement though. That's what I like to see. As long as the stuff is moving, it makes it way easier to trade. Mr. Jeff Nunn, how's it going? Yo, yo, yo. You're not even bothering to show up first, huh? Okay. Yeah, dollar. I don't know what the dollar's doing right now. I think I should just not trade, but they're moving so much too. Big hefty moves. Yeah, I was right here, off by like a pip. I'm really mad about that actually. So I lost 100, 105 or something, where I would have gained 200. So it's really like a $300 loss if you look at it that way. I'm doing good, man. Like you say, you overslept today, got home from the gym and knocked out. I feel it, man. I do that all the time. I go in that gym for like an hour and a half, 2 hours, come home and take a nice little nap. The gym is a whole production. It's not like, you know, it's a whole thing. Except for when I run. When I go to and do my run, I don't like socialize as much that day because it's kind of hard for me to focus on running. So I gotta be really in the zone. Zoned out a little bit. Okay. Yeah, it's now it's looking kind of choppy. Stuff is moving, but it's not looking tradable. So I'm gonna give it like probably 20 minutes. We might get some nice pullbacks though. Potential one here. Again though, I don't like this. This is like right at the halfway point for it to potentially go back down. That's not really a good place to be trying to go long. So I might leave that one alone. And that's looking like what happened over here too. It hasn't reached where I would have taken the trade, and that was the reason why I didn't take it. Big giant moves down, especially on the hourly chart, is not something you want to mess with. So even if it does work, it wasn't very good odds anyway. All right. Still mad about that one. I had that one. If I'd have used one more pip on the stop loss, it would have been fine. You hate to see it happen. You really do. All right, Bitcoin had a little jump. I've been saying I'd be surprised if it goes back under 25,000 anytime soon. I moved this stop down one pip. Give it just a little bit of space. Okay, now we're just gonna wait for the pullbacks. That would be the safest thing to do right now. Okay, I'll put this back real quick. You see this? You see this? Boom. I called that 100% right. I was off by one pip. I'll be right back. I'm not sure how far this would pull back. I probably should put the stop under here though. That would make more sense. It's only like 3 pips away. Let's see. 594.3. Yeah, this whole getting stopped out by like 1 pip, 2 pips thing is not the business. Okay. All right, because yeah, it really shouldn't go back down under that. If it does, then it's probably just not a good move, but I think it is. So I'm gonna roll with it. Had to move the stop a little bit. 3. Okay. And this might take a while too. This is a 4-hour trend. It might end up taking like 2-3 hours, but it should go through. Not really sure what to do with this here. It's not really an uptrend or downtrend. I'll probably just leave it alone. I think it's got more upward momentum than anything. Wow, that was a lot of action though. Okay, we're getting some pullbacks now. Yeah, this is kind of not. Yeah, based off the 4-hour, I wouldn't go. Let's see. If anything, I would go short here. So I'm not sure if I can even take any of these right now. They're kind of out of alignment. Like I said, dollar should be coming down, and it's just not. So I don't know if the dollar pairs are really safe to trade right now. Doesn't look like it. I might just leave them alone. Looks like let's see. This did end up working. I should have took it. That was a nice 3 right there. Nice easy 3. But like I said, this is what scared me. So there's still some if it does reverse up here, I might be able to short it later. So I'll keep an eye on it. Yeah, that would have been a nice 3 there. Oh, I do think my EGBP trade is gonna go through. Like I said, that'll put me at like, I forgot how much, 200 something. I just need to find one more good trade. I had this right both times. So I don't know if you remember the first trade where I moved the stop up here so that I could get out of it without a loss. That happened, and that trade that I took long also happened. So I was right both times. I did it backwards. That happens sometimes. Trading backwards. Right. I don't want to move the stop anymore. So if it goes past here, I'll just have to re-enter later. Man, I went from like 70% win rate to like 25% win rate. Gotta pull it together. Terrible. Terrible, 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 terrible. Levi Ackerman, how's it going? He says Swiss news incoming. Yeah, that's nothing. That's not gonna do anything. A single yellow is not gonna matter. Now this 3 yellows is gonna do something for sure. And after pretty much 5:15 to 7 is gonna be pretty crazy. But yeah, that 1 o'clock, I guarantee it's not gonna do anything. Gonna come regularly. Yeah, man. Glad to see you. I've got nothing better else to do. I'm kind of a workaholic, if you haven't figured that out already. I'm not worried about any of these people. I'm worried about Benjamin Franklin, Andrew Jackson, Ulysses. I've gotten way more out of making money than I ever have, like trying to mess around with a lot of people. So that's my take on it. Yeah, I'm gonna re-enter here once it gives me an entry. Alexander Hamilton. There's cool people out there. You have to search really hard though. I'd say they're 20% of everybody. Some decent people you can actually get some stuff done with. The rest of them, I kind of leave them alone at this point. Focus on the good people. The good thing though is that I'll be able to get even more out of it because it should still go up to where I had the take profit. So I should be able to get 5 or 6 out of it. So that's the good thing about this. He said USD CAD is doing good. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do with these dollar pairs right now. Really not sure. They're just all over the place. Dollar itself, I don't know what to do with that either. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the dollar pairs alone for a minute. Maybe in 20 minutes they might align, but right now they're very misaligned and there's no clear direction, so I wouldn't recommend trading those right now. This is a potential long here. Yeah. See, this was my original trade. The first trade I took today, take profit was down here at this red line. So we'll see if that works. Maybe I should have just stayed in it. Had it right from the get-go. Because yeah, the dollar, I mean, this is a clear move down. I should at least come back down to here. Should come back down to here, and then maybe it reverses from there. That would make a lot more sense. I'm just waiting on this one now. Yeah, this week has not been the best for me. So go ahead and start getting ready for this one. Okay, I think it should be safe here. Meaning I could have moved that stop down another 5 pips and I would have been fine, but it was too risky to do that. So I didn't. Okay. All right, I got the re-entry here. Okay, like I said, this trade might take a while just because the trend is on the 4-hour chart. Nah, definitely not late. If anything, I'm early on this re-entry. Jeff Nunn, you said dollar is a little hard to trade because there might be another rate hike, right? But next year there should be rate cuts. No, it's just because the summer months are slower typically, but like I said, for the past 3 years that really hasn't been the case. The summer has been kind of the same as the rest of the year. But this year in particular, the summer definitely did slow down, and we're having a lot of like economic issues around the world. So everything is kind of out of whack. And you got this whole BRICS thing going on, and yeah, there's just a lot going on. The worst part though is we have this election year coming up, and those are really tough times to trade through. The last one was like untradeable. What was it? Donald Trump versus Joe Biden. It was untradeable. I remember that like it was yesterday. Untradeable. Yeah, big stuff like that. C19 was untradeable when the news first came out about that. The last 2 weeks of December are always untradeable. Major bank holidays, stuff like that. So that's more stuff that comes with experience. And you know, I didn't know all this stuff before. I had to actually see for myself. Like, damn, why is the market not moving on Christmas? Because no one's trading. The banks are closed. Nobody's trading. Everybody's on vacation. I'm not even gonna tell you how low my win rate is for this week. I'm not gonna tell you. It's okay. By the end of the week, I should be fine. Okay. See, the dollar has barely moved this whole time. But all the dollar pairs are moving all over the place. Got some potential reversals coming up on the yens. I'm actually gonna double up on this trade. Okay. Hopefully the double win. That'll put me back in a really good place. That would be great. Yeah, dollar pairs still looking pretty stalled out. Like I said, it's not a bad long trade here. It looks decent, especially on the daily. Not fantastic, but not bad either. I'll give it some more time. It's not good enough to take it yet. Okay. Okay, are we gonna try this Frankie in again? I did not have any luck with this pair yesterday. Nah, I'm not gonna short into that. It looks like a good move, but it's too much momentum. Leave Mr. Frankie in alone today. Right. Yeah, it kind of died down a little bit. Okay, so this was the original trade that I took right at the beginning of the session. So it still wouldn't have gone through yet. I think it will end up making it down there. Coming down some. Oh, big movements. Okay, here's that move I was talking about earlier. Now let's reach this giant bar down. It should be coming down. I think I should wait for one more top though. It might actually go all the way back up there. 20. Yeesh. Okay, so if I'm right about the EGBP going up, that'll push this down even faster. All right. It's been a hectic day today. All right. All right, I don't think I'm taking any more trades. I'm gonna let these ride. As I see something really good. Okay. Yeah, this MT5 web version is a little bit buggy sometimes. You have to refresh it for it to actually show your trades. Okay, so yeah, these are looking pretty good. So if I do get all three of these, it'll be $2,000. And that should put me back to where I need to be. So hopefully that is the case. Dollar pairs are still bouncing all around the place. I don't recommend trading those right now. Okay. All right. Quick bathroom break. I'll be right back. Oh. All right. Looks like I'm finally getting some wins now. Thank goodness. And like I said, if these 3 trades go through, I will be back exactly to where I need to be. And all the losses this week will be completely negated. And it looks like that's going to happen. So let's hope that is the case. I like to at least get to around plus 1,000 for the week on this account. Which is, I don't actually know what that is. Let's see. Like 7R, 6R. But yeah, usually I go for like 10R, but I had a lot of losses today and yesterday. Lots of choppiness. Jeff Nunn, you said I've yet to be wrong on my directional bias, but the entry I'm taking are killing me. Yeah, you said you just started a couple months ago, right? So it takes a while to see like what all the different patterns look like, what's a good pattern, what's a bad pattern. I think that's probably what took me the most time. You have to do a lot of back testing for sure. Mr. Macios, long time no see. You said, when are we going back to 100K account? Let's see. I think I can finish this one up within 6 weeks. I'm going like really easy on it. I'm not compounding. I'm not doing anything like that. I just want to try it out without all that stuff, without the stress of compounding. So it should take me like 4 to 6 weeks to finish this one. So that'll be like right around the beginning of October. And then from there, I'll probably actually just go to the 200K. And I think I have another 50 after that. And then that's it. I'll have the 400 at that point. So I'll be doing the 200K after this one. But yeah, this is the whole new unlimited version of the challenge. So it's like a whole new thing, really. Compounding is good when the market is moving a lot, but recently it's been like stalled out and the moves are not that easy. So this is not like a good time to be compounding anyway. January, February, March, those were like the best times. That's back when I was compounding. And it was like the money printer. Go Burr. Yeah, this month especially has been super hard. And speaking of, I'm thinking about bringing in either some stock pairs or S&P, maybe some indexes, maybe some stock pairs. I was already thinking about that, but since the Forex pairs have been so like difficult to trade, I'm going to start looking in other places when it's like that, and it might be easier to trade something else. You said, do you also do trades at the opening of New York? I actually don't trade the New York session right now at all because I just don't have the schedule for it right now. I work a day job pretty much from like 10:30 to whenever. however long they need me usually until like 7 or 8. So, you know, There's no way I could do this session and New York and then still go and work 10 hours. I'm already working like 15-hour days, so I don't think I can do any more than that. Did I say 10 hours? 15 hours. I don't know what I said. 15, 17 hours, something like that. Timothy, you said the NASDAQ 100. So I'm gonna have to make like a whole separate. I think I have one. Hold on. I believe I do have a because FTMO lets you trade stocks too. Well, let me see which ones they are. Apple, Amazon, Alibaba, all the big ones. Microsoft, AT&T, Google, Visa, Tesla. So yeah, I'm gonna have to bring these on too. But I feel like that's the New York session when all that stuff is happening. So I mean, there might not even be a point in me doing that right now because I can't trade the New York session right now. Yeah. But yeah, this is eventually I'll be able to do this full time, and I have like other side stuff going on. I'm getting some licensing right now to do some other things. So once I don't have to work so much at the day job, I'll have just more time to do a whole bunch of stuff. I should be able to trade the New York and the London session pretty soon here. So that is the goal. Well, let's see. Oh yeah, I was gonna bring that up. Hold on. So I do have let's see. Okay. Yeah, I do have these here. Alright, so I got my regular watch list. I have this here. This is all the Apple, Microsoft, super charts. But yeah, see, I've never actually day traded a stock before. But since I'm doing it on a Forex account, it would be I won't have to buy shares or anything like that. It'd be just like trading a Forex pair. But I don't know how to like calculate the pips and stuff. So I would have to figure that out. Yeah, that's a whole new world I don't know anything about. But yeah, do these even move right now? Yeah, I guess so. Okay. I'll check it out. It's definitely something I would have to... It's a whole new thing right there. Whole new world. Yeah, Forex is fine though. I like Forex when it's moving. Well, yeah, if it's not moving in a predictable way, then it's like not really easy to trade. I plan on staying in the Forex world. I don't really want to go into the stock world. At least not for day trading. Be sure to hit the like button already if you haven't already. I do appreciate it. Helps out the videos quite a bit. Helps out the channel. Okay, all right, so it looks like these are all the trades I'm going to take for today. I don't see anything else, so I have a double trade here. Like I said, if I win all three of these trades, I'll be up back to zero, pretty much back to break even on the account, which is perfect. So my terrible Monday and Tuesday are not even going to matter anymore. But hopefully that happens. It's mainly these two that I need to win. The other one's not that serious, but I think all three of them should go through. I thought about trading here. I'm not going to, though. It's just not a strong enough move. And then I have this here short. Pretty good chance of it going through since it's big level right here. And then, like I said, the EGBP should be going up, which will push this down. So should be fine. That's probably the weakest trade out of the three or the two. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be back on here tomorrow, 11:30 p.m. Pacific time as usual. Hope you all enjoy your day, and I'll see you later.